Instant ramen? Not today. I'm taking these noodles to the next level with smoky Jamaican jerk chicken, a spicy kick, and a runny egg that will have you drooling. Stick around, cause this bowl is about to bring the heat and flavor straight from the islands. Let's go. What's going on, beautiful people? In today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make this easy to make, spicy, delicious jerk chicken ramen noodle recipe, all right? So here are the ingredients, guys. Here I have some boneless chicken thighs. This is two pieces of boneless chicken thighs, all right? Then here we have our fresh ingredients. We have some shredded carrots, some minced ginger, minced garlic, some fresh thyme. We also have some jalapeno, green onion, all right? Over here, we're gonna have our dry stuff. So we have some all-purpose seasoning. We have our ramen noodle packet. We have water, we have olive oil, all-purpose seasoning, soy sauce, chicken base. All right, so we're gonna hop right into the video, guys, and get started. Let's go. Yeah, man, so we're just gonna add a drizzle of olive oil, not much. Add our seasoning. We're just gonna add about a tablespoon, not much. Mix it up, mix it in. And then we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes just to marinate a little bit. The longer you let it marinate, the better it's gonna taste, all right? Let's go. All right, so at this point, guys, you wanna turn your stove to about a medium heat, all right? Add a little drizzle of olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, just enough, to sear our chicken, all right? Once it becomes nice and hot, then we're gonna add our boneless chicken thighs, sear it for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until it's fully cooked, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, all right? And then we're gonna remove it from the heat, let it rest, and then we're gonna start working on our ramen noodle packet. We're gonna add some water, add our fresh ingredients, and we're gonna make that magic work. All right, y'all, so remember you wanna sear your chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, all right? Make sure it's fully cooked. Add the little pieces. And we're just gonna let the heat and the oil do the work. All right, y'all, so after about 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes, your crust, your chicken should look a little something like this. All right, so flip it over and repeat the same step. And after this, we should be good, guys. Oh, and I almost forgot, you're definitely gonna need some eggs. All right, 1 or 2 boiled eggs, and you should be good. All right, so next step, guys, we're gonna saute our vegetables. We're gonna add some olive oil. Then we're gonna add some green onions. We're not gonna add the whole thing. We're gonna leave some for the toppings, all right? Same for the carrots. We're gonna leave a little bit. Add our ginger. We're gonna add garlic, thyme. Stir it up. And you wanna turn your stove to about a high heat, guys. High heat should do the trick. And we're just gonna cook this for about, well, not this, but the entire dish right here with the liquid and the noodles. We're gonna cook that whole thing for about 3 minutes until the noodles are nice and tender. I'm gonna add a little all-purpose seasoning, not much, just a tad. We're gonna add a half teaspoon of chicken base, just like that. We're gonna add about a half teaspoon of jerk paste, just a little bit, not too much. Okay, we don't want it to be over spicy. We want it to be just right. You know what I mean? Give it a nice little stir. Then we're gonna add about 2 to 3 cups of hot water. Oh yeah. And just bring that baby to a boil. The water is nice and hot right now, guys. And we're gonna toss this in the trash. We're not gonna use this seasoning right here today. This is a totally different recipe. Add our noodle. Just like that. All right, and like I said, guys, you wanna let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes and the noodles should be good. Then we're gonna top it off with some chicken, boneless chicken thighs that we just seared, 1 boiled egg and some garnish, and we should be good. Keep watching. Yes guys, so we're gonna add some soy sauce, low sodium. And I'm also gonna add about a half teaspoon, or I'll say a teaspoon of my homemade hot sauce, guys. Check it out, homemade, baby. Homemade is always best. Stir it up, it's smelling so good. All right, guys, so we're gonna slice our chicken thighs. Slice it into strips at an angle. Then we're just gonna set this aside. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour our noodles. So good. Lay that on top, just like that. Add our jalapenos, you know what I mean? Some green onions toppings. I'm gonna add some shredded carrot. And then we're gonna add our boiled eggs. All right, guys, so this is the end results right here. We're about to do a quick taste test like usual and let you know what I think, all right? See you in a bit. All right. Wow, this is spicy. Not too spicy. I mean, after the first sip, you get that kick right in your throat, right? But after you go for seconds, it's not that bad. You know, I'm tasting the flavor from the jerk paste, you know, the homemade habanero Scotch bonnet hot sauce, you know, like the seasoning, all the natural fresh herbs together, guys. And not to mention the chicken. Perfectly seared, perfectly cooked. Amazing, guys. Let's try the boiled egg with the soup. This is a well put together recipe, guys. All the ingredients combined together are perfectly infused. This is a must try recipe. If you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So every time I post a new video, guys, you will be notified, all right? Until next time, peace.